In this video, we'll show you how to listen to Spotify while playing Roblox. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe. Having your music play in the background can make your gaming experience a little bit more relaxing. Let's get started. Step 1 is adjusting the Roblox setting. Open up the Roblox app and tap More in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Under Communication, go ahead and select Voice Chat and disable the microphone. Once that's done, return to the homepage and select any game you'd like to play. The next step is playing music from Spotify. Now, just simply open up Spotify and play the song or playlist of your choice. Then, switch back to Roblox. You might notice that the music pauses automatically once you return to the game. Even if you restart it from the control center, it stops again. The solution to this is using wired headphones with playback controls. To fix this, plug in a pair of wired headphones that have a play/pause button. For example, Apple's wired earpods work perfectly. Once plugged in, press play on the headphones. Your music will now play in the background without pausing when you return to Roblox. And that's how you can enjoy Spotify while gaming in Roblox.